Hello traders! Let's explore 3 common reasons why traders may find themselves facing losses. Overtrading is a risky practice where traders lost their patience over their strategy and the market. It can lead to significant losses, especially in volatile markets. It's crucial to trade responsibly and always have a clear strategy. This leads to our next mistake that has the lack of defined strategy. Trading without a clear strategy is like navigating the ship without a compass. It leads to confusion, uncertainty, and ultimate losses. A well-defined plan outlines entry and exit points, risk tolerance, and profit targets. The most difficult part in trading is to control your emotions. Emotions can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Fear, greed, and FOMO are common pitfalls. Successful traders remain calm and rational, sticking to their original plans. Mastering emotional responses is essential for consistent success in trading. That was the 3 reasons why traders lose. Remember, trading is a journey, and learning from failure is the key to long-term success. As always, happy trading! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave your feedback in the comments below. For more success stories that can help you become a better trader, click here. If you're interested in our educational content, click here. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any new videos, don't forget to subscribe here. See you in our next video.